Hey guys, I'm Marissa and welcome back to my channel. I am a first-time mom with my son Peter, who is 3 months old, and he is just my world. He is the most adorable little baby, and I'm also a huge fan of budgeting. And throughout my pregnancy journey and also starting this new season of motherhood, I've been navigating that while also being conscious of our budget and our household finances. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe to my channel so you won't miss a new video. Today, I wanted to chat with you guys about how you can actually maximize the savings with using a baby registry, because this is one way that we are able to save so much money on baby supplies during my pregnancy. If you are expecting a baby and you are interested in learning about ways that you can save money and also plan your finances for having a baby, I've actually recently come out with an online course called Budgeting for Baby, and I will have a link to it in the description box down below. In the course, I walk through all the ways that you can save money on baby expenses, things that you can expect to spend money on, and how to plan your finances and your budget for this really exciting but really costly season of life. Everything from maternity leave, medical costs, becoming a stay-at-home mom if that's your desire, and the baby supplies that you'll need, and how much all of this is going to cost you, and ways that, of course, you can maximize your savings. So definitely, if you're interested in that, check it out with the link in the description box down below. And in the course, you also get a beautiful customized workbook, which will be perfect for planning and tracking your budget as you are planning your finances for having a baby. And you will also get access to a private Facebook group where we are chatting with a bunch of other expecting moms about budgeting for baby. So definitely check it out with the link in the description box down below. My first tip is utilizing your registry completion coupon. So most baby registries will give you a coupon that you can use as it gets closer to your due date that will give you usually around 15% off anything that you have on your registry. This is huge. You get literally just 15% off anything that you put on the registry, which at places like Amazon or Target can be literally anything. It doesn't need to just be baby supplies. You can put other random things on it, on your registry, and then if you just purchase it through your registry with your special coupon, you can get 15% off anything. I mean, that's a fantastic deal. So the way that I utilized this was I actually created 3 registries. I created one for Target, Amazon, and also buybuy BABY. Now, there's only one buybuy BABY in the greater Portland area, and I've actually been to the store just one time. And I didn't even send out a link or tell anyone that I had a buybuy BABY registry, but I created this registry because of getting that 15% off completion coupon. And buybuy BABY had the stroller that I wanted, which was the UPPAbaby Vista. So I figured that I could at least get 15% off the stroller with using my completion coupon if I just put the stroller on my buybuy BABY registry. So in fact, that was like the only thing that was on my registry there. Not to mention, I was able to get a huge steal of a deal on that stroller because it went on sale in January as they were taking the old model out of stock and they were putting the new one in. I got a great discount on the old model, and then I also got to use my registry completion coupon to get an additional 15% off. So I saved over $300 on the UPPAbaby Vista just by watching for that sale from UPPAbaby and also using my 15% off completion coupon with buybuy BABY. That's a lot of syllables and baby names. I hope I didn't mix those up. We also then used our 15% off completion coupons at Amazon and Target to pick up the last few things that were on our registry that didn't get purchased for us. So this was a super easy way for us to be able to save money on all of our baby supplies just by utilizing that 15% off completion coupon. Now I will say, here's the one mistake that I did make. Amazon gives you 2 completion coupons to use, so you can make like 2 full purchases on Amazon, and they also have a time window of when you can use it. And so it was open about like a month before my due date, I think. So we made our last few purchases on Amazon then, but then I didn't realize that it expired so soon. So I think it expired a little over a month after I gave birth, which, man, the first like 8 weeks after you have a baby are so overwhelming. I wasn't even thinking of like what else I needed to snag off my Amazon registry. So I actually did miss out on that second Amazon completion coupon. So definitely something to be aware of. Don't let that completion coupon expire. The next great money saving benefit to having a baby registry is through Amazon's baby registry with their diaper discount. So if you start an Amazon baby registry and you have $500 worth of items purchased off your registry, this can be from either yourself or from friends and family, then you get to qualify for their diaper discount, which is getting 20% off diapers for a year or up to getting $60 in free diaper savings. So this is a huge benefit and a discount to receive for getting diapers, because we all know that babies go through a lot of diapers. The other great thing about this is that you can actually pair it with their subscribe and save feature, so you could save up to 40% on diapers with this promo. So even if you're a second-time mom and you're not planning on necessarily having a baby shower, still start an Amazon baby registry. And again, you can add anything to it that you'd buy off of Amazon anyway, which is great. And then if you have $500 worth of purchases, you can still get that diaper discount, which is a great benefit. And the next way you can save money with a baby registry is by receiving free samples and goodies from starting a baby registry. So Target, Amazon, and buybuy BABY were the 3 baby registries that I started, and they all gave me a free welcome goodie bag. While each goodie bag varied from the amount of things that were inside, it was pretty nice to receive some free samples. I will say that for me, Target's was the best. It was full of the most things, and it also came with a coupon book of discounts that I could receive on additional baby products, which I did use and was super helpful. And it was fun to be able to try out different things and really see if like he was going to like this specific bottle or this kind of pacifier, and even some diapers, which was really cool. So when you do sign up for a baby registry, be sure to get your free welcome bag and use those samples, because who doesn't love free goodies anyway? But it'll also be great to determine if you want to keep buying some of those products once your baby is here. So those are some ways that you can save money and maximize those savings by using a baby registry. It's definitely a great benefit. So even if you are a second or third time mom, don't miss out on just starting a baby registry so you can snag those completion coupons, get that diaper discount, and also get your free goodie bags. And those were just things that I didn't know existed when I was pregnant. So just wanted to pass on the knowledge to you guys if you are expecting. So don't forget to check out my budgeting for baby course as we talk all about the ways that you can save money during pregnancy and on baby costs. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any new videos. And I'll look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where